Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to get sad filter on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to get sad filter on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Now you can see here option of searching right here sad filter effect. You can see here a lot of filters and select on it and start to make your video on any of the sad filter. Thank you so much. That was the whole procedure that how that you get sad filter on any other type of filter on TikTok by searching on bar. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.